Welcome. In this short overview, we're going to walk through how to navigate the DataStar interface, understand the core concepts behind your data transformation workflows, and point you toward the best next steps as a new user. Before we dive into DataStar, I'll give you a quick background on the Optilogic platform, where your files, projects, models, and team assets all live. In the Optilogic platform, the File Explorer is always available on the left panel. Here you can upload and organize all your files, including CSV and Excel files, Python scripts, Cosmic Frog models, DataStar projects, documentation and supporting assets, and everything that you might need. Everything stored here can be referenced directly from DataStar, keeping your work centralized, organized, and version controlled. In addition to the File Explorer, the left navigation shows the full suite of applications. For DataStar users, the most relevant are Run Manager for detailed logs and troubleshooting, Resource Library for example projects and scripts, Lightning Editor for editing files such as CSV and Python files, Cloud Storage for database management, and Teams Hub for switching between personal and team accounts. Optilogic supports both personal and team workspaces. Your personal account is where your files, DataStar projects, and models are private unless you specifically share them. Your team account is where you and your colleagues work in a shared environment with collaborative access to DataStar projects, shared File Explorer folders, Cosmic Frog models, and common data sources and utility scripts. The interface is nearly identical, but a team account includes shared folders, shared ownership, and permission controls, ideal for maintaining supply chain models and data workflows together. You can always move or copy projects and files between personal and team spaces. When you open your DataStar project, you'll land on the home screen, where two core building blocks appear. First are projects, which are containers that hold your macros, which are your data transformation workflows. The next is data connections, which show how to connect to your incoming and outgoing data sources. Projects are where you build transformations. Data connections are shared across all projects. You connect once and then reuse. Within each project, you can browse your data connections, which may include CSVs, Excel files, Cosmic Frog models, or Postgres databases on the platform. Every project also has its own project Sandbox, a dedicated Postgres database for importing, transforming, and preparing data before publishing or sending it elsewhere. Macros are made up of tasks, the smallest unit of work in DataStar. You can build tasks by dragging them from the task palette onto the canvas, or by using Leapfrog AI, which generates tasks from simple natural language prompts. Leapfrog's capabilities are constantly changing. Read the welcome message to read about the current capability set. Provide a prompt, and it will propose a fully configured task. You can accept it or give feedback and iterate. Leapfrog is excellent for general data transformation and also deeply understands Cosmic Frog, enabling rapid model building inside DataStar. Your conversation history is saved so you can pick up right where you left off. Tasks open in the right panel for configuration. Many sections can expand to full screen when you need more space. The entire DataStar UI is flexible. Resize or collapse panels to match your workflow. For example, when focused on configuring a macro, you can collapse the logs panel to maximize space. After running, DataStar provides full transparency. In-app logs show status, duration, and errors. Run Manager provides deeper debugging details. Logs can be sorted, inspected, or downloaded. This makes it straightforward to maintain and scale workflows. Leapfrog is your AI partner for creating tasks and macros, but DataStar also supports AI agents you can execute directly. For example, you can configure a task that runs the model output analysis agent. With a single high-level prompt and a link to a Cosmic Frog model, the agent performs complex analysis and produces an easy-to-digest report automatically. DataStar is cloud native and sits on the open Optilogic platform, so it integrates cleanly with the rest of your supply chain ecosystem. Use the DataStar Python library to programmatically build and run macros. Connect your BI tools directly to the data in your project Sandbox. As your next step, explore the Resource Library and Help Center, and join the conversation in the Optilogic community. The Help Center includes detailed quick starts, such as importing a CSV file, creating a task using natural language, and building a cost-to-serve dashboard with Power BI. The Resource Library contains deployable projects you can copy into your account and apply to your own data. As always, our support team is ready to help at support@optilogic.com. Thank you for watching.